name is Amit Naval, and I'm the head of the animation department at SAE Dubai. The Bachelor of Animation degree helps students develop animation skills in all facets of production. They help learn skills such as modeling, animation, and visual effects. The software that we generally use are 3ds Max, ZBrush, V-Ray, and many other production software such as Premiere, After Effects. So the requirements for animation degree is that a student must have an HSC certificate and must be 17 and above. English language test is also important. So the stage 1 of the animation degree allows students to get a generic experience on all different aspects of production, where students get to learn everything when it comes to production in terms of animation, modeling, character designing, sketches, 2D and 3D as well. At stage 2 of our degree, students get to choose specializations such as 3D modeling, character animation, and visual effects. In 3D modeling, students get to learn the production art of creating assets such as weapons, vehicles, characters, and creatures. In 3D character animation stage, students learn the art of creating characters in motion, understand 12 principles of animation, and body dynamics and body motion. In visual effects, students get to learn compositing, shoot films, and compose 3D elements in the films. The 3D animation degree not only just allows students to venture into films and games development, but also various other industries such as exhibitions designs, event designing, architectural designing, vehicle designing, toys manufacturing, and wherever there's designing involved. Besides, students also get to become an expert 3D modeler, 3D animation artist, 3D lighting artist, 3D compositing artist, as well as visual effects artist. Animation industry is an ever-growing industry. For those who decide to be a part of it, you will have great career opportunities. So for those who want to get into it, I wish you all the very best. For more educational videos, feel free to subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box below. Thank you.